Hi, I'm Margaret.
I'm Corey.
And this is
A Pretty Cool Hotel Tour.
We are in Florence, Kentucky to check out the Wildwood Inn. Oh, check it out in the wild. The Colonel! All I know is I found the website a couple years ago. The photos have to be as old as the hotel. At this point, I choose not to read the reviews of the hotels until after we stay there, so it doesn't scare me out of it. So,
Wish us luck.
wish us luck. Ooh, I miss palm trees.
Alright. There we go.
Nope. Theme hotel, bro. Fooled you once.
Shame on me.
When in Kentucky, you...
Spelunky.
Nice! I am overwhelmed with the crevices.
It's like the literal Fortress of Solitude. It's not Indiana Jones.
Oh, dang it. Now that's a freaking jacuzzi. Besides the mysterious stains on the wall, which are all part of the experience. We've got an electric fireplace, bench built right into the wall, nice blue bathroom.
Dabba-dee-dabba-die.
Really curious about the choice of hole here.
Can you see me through the ice hole?
No windows, no signs of the outside world, just deep in the theme here. I feel like a lot has happened in this room, a lot I don't want to know about. There's a Bible in here. I was kind of hoping it was going to be hollowed out and full of something, but no,
Just good news.
just full of good news.
Well, someone at a party.
Could be a worse kind of rubber on the ground.
I gotta pee so bad. Just straight fist in the sheath.
Oh my, my. Shiver me timbers. Take a little peek on the starboard side. Oh my, what's happening here? Why is there, wait, why is there? I think this is the first theme hotel we've stayed in that is child friendly. Exactly. Oh my gosh, they're bunk beds. How many beds? I'm getting the message here. Don't climb, but gosh darn it, bring your families, bring your cousins, bring your aunts and uncles. There's enough room on board.
Oh, prison Mike.
How's that?
I don't know. You know, this is what I look like.
Take what you can, give nothing back.
Amen, sis. The thing that ended up feeling the most surprising to me was how much more this hotel felt geared towards children and families.
It feels like a kid's playground.
You know, like if I were a kid, this would rule.
Yeah, if I was 10 and I walk into this party at a hotel and my mattress is on the ground, who freaking cares? It sounds awesome. But now I walk in and I see a mattress on the ground and I go, that seems odd. In terms of design and theme, I would probably rate this place like a 4 out of 5. If you want a theme experience and this is the closest one, you're gonna get a theme experience. Out of 5, I would rate the cleanliness of this hotel around a 2. Because it was hard to get cleanliness off my mind. For the price point, I think that they need to have things cleaner. I would probably rate this also pretty low on the romance scale, teetering around a 1 or 2.
Yeah.
The vibe is definitely not romance, and I think if someone took me here on a date, I might hide in the bathroom and call a friend. It's quite the unforgettable experience, for better or worse. Now let's turn on Pirates of the Freaking Caribbean.